So I just have a quick tech tip that if you have a machine that seems to be running perfect when you're tuning it, but the second you start moving it or jumping it in gear, swirling around the machine a little bit, it starts failing on you. I've had this a couple times over the years, and here's one of the main culprits, which is a cracked gas cap if the machine's left outside, or even if you wash it while it's not left outside, you'll get water in there. And what happens is it'll collect inside the carburetor bowl or the bottom of the fuel line, wherever the low point is, and feed itself in randomly and start choking out your engine. Another thing that it does is the fuel bowl is going to hold all the water at the bottom. So, it's taking gas, everything's good. Then suddenly when you jerk it into gear or make it move, the water gets sucked up in there suddenly and takes a second to settle back down to its little hole. And I'll show you what that gas looks like. This gas actually is rusty because I've drained it out of the carburetor bowl itself, but you can see the gas is sitting on top. The water is holding the rust down below. You can see it's a whole separate pool of rusty water down there, and the gas is looking a little cloudy. That's another symptom, but this one you can see real well because the water has rust in it, and the reason it has rust in it is because it was eating the carburetor bowl bottom, which is steel on this model. So another thing it could be, of course, is that same symptom will give you the same problem if you have a bad float in your carburetor and it's not feeding the proper height of gas. Maybe it's just got a little dribble in there, it's not filling up properly. But I've seen this more than once where it's water and it will give you fits trying to tune the machine, and you think you got it, and then you go for a test drive and you realize you don't got it, and it could be just water. So enjoy your day. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you could, go in the description, use the Amazon links. Anything you buy on Amazon, once using those links to get into Amazon, gives this channel a small residual, and it really helps out. Thank you.